Hello, my name is Anastasia and I'm a computer engineering major at the University of Cincinnati.
Hello, my name is Matthew and I'm a mechanical engineer. Together, Anna and I will be building an inMoov robot.
inMoov is an open source 3D printed robot. In its humanoid structure, it's life-size and is controlled by Arduino microcontrollers. The inMoov project was created by a French sculptor named Gael. He initially uploaded the blueprints for the project in 2012 on Thingiverse, but since then he's made his own website with step-by-step instructions on how to build your own robot. Now, the main reason this project has gotten so big is it's so easy to replicate at your own house. Now, the 3D printer part is not within reach for all people, but the technology is getting cheaper and more common. The Prusa 3 you get to build at your own home, and you can get them for under $200 online, usually around $155 to $175. Now, in order to create an inMoov robot, you need to know a few things and have a few things. First off, you need to know about some 3D modeling software like Blender, Inventor, or, as Matt's going to talk about, SolidWorks.
In order to 3D print various parts, we must first have a 3D model generated for that part. This can be made using a program such as SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a 3D modeling CAD program that allows you to create and edit various 3D models using the various features within the program. Extensive use of SolidWorks will not be necessary for this project, as all the files are available for download online. However, some amount of 3D modeling experience is always necessary when dealing with a 3D printer and its various components.
Once you understand the virtual part of 3D, you have to understand the physical. So you need to know about 3D printers and have access to one.
3D printing is an additive manufacturing process by which a material is extruded onto a base plate in many thin layers. These thin layers eventually add up over time and create a large piece that can be very complex that otherwise would be unable to be machined conventionally. 3D printing typically consists of plastic material or a metal material, although in most consumer-based models, 3D printers print a plastic material, as it is much cheaper. For this project, we will primarily be using a DaVinci Junior XYZ 3D printer using a PLA plastic in order to print the pieces for our robot.
Once you have 3D printed parts and you can put the shell of your robot together, you need the servos to move it around and the microcontroller to tell the servos what to do.
Being that this is a robotics project, we will have to have various hardware and software elements in order to power our robot. Our servos, for all the motor functions, and various sensors will be powered using two Arduino boards, using a coding method that is associated with the Arduino boards.
So far, we just have our MG996R servos for the arms and hands and wrists, and we have our Arduino Mega microcontrollers. They're both still packaged. I'll post photos of them actually unpackaged. So Matthew and I will be attempting to build this robot within a time frame of about 3 to 4 months. It's a very large project, so we're going to break it up. Currently we're going to tackle the hands and arms portion. I'm going to make the right arm, he's going to make the left arm, I'm going to program the right arm, probably send him the code for the left arm, he's going to edit it for how he does it. And we're going to try out various modes of controlling those arms.